There's a demonstration of the elevator handicapped access on the icon of the C's.
Select floor by pressing again. 2 through 4 5 6 through 9 10 through 17. Select floor by pressing again. 10 11 14 15. Elevator T to deck 15 on your right.
And you can hear that the elevator makes a binging noise once the when you use the braille buttons.
Going up.
And also continues binging for a minute so you can get in the elevator, and then it will talk to you more on the inside the elevator than it does when you don't use the braille option.
Deck 15.
Now we're at our deck. That's how easy it is.